Hey everyone, my name is Jose Cortes. I'm a certified financial planner, managing partner, and CEO of Alpha Trail Financial Planning. And in this series of videos, we're walking through each of our steps of the planning process so that you can get a feel for what it's like to walk through our planning approach. And if it's a place where you feel like you may find some value at some point in the future. Now, in this session, I love talking about this session because this is our tax review session. And one of the biggest pain points we have for clients coming in is that they have a relationship with a CPA that's very transactional. Oftentimes, that CPA is really only meeting with clients around tax time. They really don't know what's going on with their tax picture. Oftentimes, they're met with no responses or delayed responses from emails and requests. And that's a very common thing in today's day and age. I'll make a video that talks a little bit about what's happening in the personal accounting world and the things that you need to consider when working with professional accountants. But for today, let's talk about this session. Now, in this session, I really want to come out of this meeting with a clear idea of what story do the tax returns say about our client's financial picture. So I want to go through their last 2 years' tax returns with a shared screen in our office, one-on-one, and I really want to make sure they understand the basics of how their tax returns read. Now, they're not supposed to be a tax expert. That's not what they do 60 hours a week. I don't file taxes. This video is for educational purposes only, and this session is really designed for us educationally to really talk about what the 1040 form looks like, to really talk about how their income flows in from their wages and income, to talk about, are they taking advantage of deductions that they may be overlooking? Are they itemizing, or are they taking the standard deduction? Do they have a business? And so what does their Schedule C look like? Are they a sole proprietor? Or maybe have they taken an S-Corp election status and now they have a K-1, or they're a partnership? And so really understanding how their income is coming in, how their income is being reflected towards the Internal Revenue Service, and what their tax liability looks like. And especially for W-2 corporate employees who oftentimes say, hey, I didn't have to pay a big tax bill, I actually got a refund. But let's really go back in and look at, over the last 12 months, how much tax was withheld from their paychecks. So this session really helps us understand a couple of things. One, what story do the income tax returns tell about our client's financial picture? Two, what is that relationship like with their accounting team? Is it a positive or a negative relationship? And three, what areas of opportunity can we uncover and work on over the next 12 months to strengthen their strategies around taxes, or maybe sometimes even find a different accounting relationship, but more importantly, have a place or an opportunity where maybe a professional like myself can be more hands-on in those meetings with your accountant, sometimes help translate some of these legal concepts or tax concepts, and really improve that relationship with your existing accounting team. So stay tuned for the next session where we talk a little bit about risk management.